Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So on this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply for English taught courses, English taught programs at University of Camerino. So the application is open since 20th November and to end 31st of March next year. On this particular university, they do not have any course in bachelor's degree in English language. So we're just going to go straight to MSc programs and the programs available in English language. Now, before I continue, please, guys, if you have not liked this video, please like it at this point. And this is your first time of coming across this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that when I post any video, you'll be the first to know. This channel will talk about everything about Italy, coming to Italy, how to process a document, everything you need to know. And in case you're interested, I have a paid subscriber group on Telegram where you get to ask me questions. I get to guide you one on one, share general information to people on the group. You, as in that group, it's more like where I put people together and be able to guide them on their path to application and on their path to visa application from Nigeria, what it takes about processing of their documents and everything. So it's a one-time payment, unlimited subscription. So if you want to be part of that Telegram group, you can contact me on my Facebook page or Imade Ukbebo. So send me a DM and then I will tell you the price and how you'll be able to join the group. So guys, let's go straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to be doing on this page is we're going to first of all check the courses available in English language at this particular university. So we're going to click courses. So like I said before, there are no programs available in for undergraduate in English language. So let's just go straight to masters. So here it says where not specified, the degree courses are held in Italian. So where it is specified, meaning it's in English. So we have biological science, we have chemistry and advanced chemical methodology, we have geoenvironmental results and risk, we have mathematics and applications, we have physics. So these are the only programs that we have in English language at this university. Then for those interested in PhD programs, these are the programs available for PhD holders. Now you can see that here it says that the call for admission is usually announced in May. So it's not yet available. And normally you would also have to send an email to submit your research proposal to the professors in charge when it is time. So it's not like very direct like the MSc programs. So let's we've already seen the programs available in English language. So let's check out the scholarships information. So you see for this university, they have two scholarships, Eddie scholarship and other scholarship. So let's check Eddie scholarship. So though this one is the call for 2024-2025, for most universities, scholarships for the current session has not yet opened. So one thing I love about Italian universities is that once you get an admission, if there are scholarships available, they will always send you emails to tell you, oh, this scholarship is available, please do where to apply, especially when they see that you meet the requirements. So for this Eddie scholarship, we see that it's based on merit and certified family income situation. Certified family income situation is, oh, most times people will have to, if you're from Nigeria or other African countries, you have to do a family income document or a form of an affidavit. For those from Nigeria, it can be sworn at the court and it can be done in your local government. You can do it, which will show what your family income is. Everybody living in your family, what they earn. If you go to this court or the local government, they know how to put this document together for you. So the scholarship covers tuition fee, food, lodging free of charge in the student residence and canteens from October to July. So if you need any information, this is the website, this is the email address. You can also contact this email address. You can watch the tutorial on YouTube and all of that. So let's go back. Let's see what the other scholarships are. So this one is scholarship awarded by Italian government. So you also have invest in your talent in Italy. So you also have this form of scholarship. So majorly the scholarship available in this university is more like EDIS. So do well to always read informations on the page of any school site you are applying to. And then you see their information here, information on pre-arrival information, resident permit tutorial. That's when you arrive in Italy, how to go about your resident permit, facility and services, food and lodging, language services for those who are interested in learning the language. So this university, just be do well to click these links to get the information that you need as regarding any area. So here, let's go straight now to the application. So the application, like I said before, has started since 20th of November, and then it's still running till next year, March 31st. Like evaluation should take about 3 to 4 weeks. So in that time they should be able to tell you, oh, you have an admission, or oh, you don't have an admission. So before we click the link on how to make an application, let us see what we have here. Say general information on preliminary evaluation procedure for pre-admission. More details checking our admission, how to prepare section. So let's click here and see what are the requirements. You see the first one now, there's a country, it said a country basis requirement list is available. So this list is showing the general requirement based on student from each country. Then additional requirements includes this following. So let's quickly look at what the additional requirement is before we click this link to see what's there. A final score of 75% and above. So if you have anything lower than this, please don't bother applying to this university. Relevant study path. Students who obtain or are going to obtain a final diploma in a different subject area can also participate in the pre-admission procedure. But however, this may affect your evaluation outcome. So I would advise that, okay, oh, if you're going for a master's program, make sure that what you've done in your BSc, it tallies, it follows. Then there's an age limit. Now there's no age limit, but they're saying that if the application is too much, then they tend to put an age limit on this. Then this whole place talking about your CHIMIA, your DOV, and all of this. So those of you who was, if you've not watched my video on how to get your declaration of value, please do well to watch that video on my channel. And then why I would not advise Nigerian students to go for CHIMIA, even if your university puts it there that way, you can do CHIMIA, you can do DOV, because the Italian embassy will not take CHIMIA in place of legalizing your document. At the end of the day, you still have to legalize your document. So that's for that. So now let's quickly look at this general requirement based on country. So all these ones are just plenty talk. You can take your time to read them. Let's go straight to this. So you can see this now. Foreign educational system. So if you're from Afghanistan, these are the requirements for Afghanistan for bachelor's degree program. These are the requirements for master's degree program. This. So once you just go down this list, is a long list of other countries. You will find your country there. Nigeria and Cameroon is all there. So no need to scroll down. Take your time and be able to look at this file when you are making your application. So this is it. Remember this pagina, this page, this is the link. So before we now go into the application properly, let's also take a quick look at the tuition fee. So you see here, this one is tuition fee based on last year. As you can see, 2024, 2025. The one for this year is not, but most times it's just a little bit. There's going to be a change, a little bit above, or maybe a little bit below, but rarely is not below anyway. So you see, non-EU and extra OCSS citizens. This is where we Nigerian Africans will fall into. This is 556. Now, non-EU citizens from certain poor and developing countries, we too, this is where we fall into. But if you click this list, Nigeria is not there for Nigerian students. So you can also click this link to see if your country falls in the list of poor and developing countries that will pay 456 euros. But for Nigerian students, just know that no, you do not fall into this category. This is where we fall into 556 euros per academic section. That's what we are going to pay. So guys, let's go back and then go into the application properly. So we are back here. Now, the first point is register in our database at this link. So click the link. So here at this point, guys, you need to pardon me. My page keeps changing and changing into Italian. So anytime I come here, please just now trying to convert it to English so it will be easy for people that, of course, that don't understand Italian to be able to navigate through the site. So when you open this page, you come to this menu here. So at this point, I will just stop talking and then you just follow this cursor. Okay. So you see now, I'm going to show you this. You see this red asterisk. This is the only one that is mandatory. So all of this place is mandatory. You must fill in the information required here. So this is your name, your surname, your date of birth, your sex, your citizenship, the nation you are from. Just write the city where you are from. Now I'm going to put something here. This physical code, codice fiscale, my page is still trying to turn into English. This last place here, when you open on your computer or your phone, don't worry, you don't feel anything on it. Remember, you feel that you do not have codice fiscale. So by the time you click next, it will automatically generate a codice for you, a physical, we call it a tax code here. To automatically generate a task code for you. Then we'll go to the next page. Okay. So you saw what I was telling you, it will now generate a codice code for you, a task code here for you. So you press ahead. Here you're going to fill in your country, your if you're Italian, that's when you have to fill this one. Okay, if it's Italy, you have to fill your proof. So when you put another country here, there won't be anything here. You put your city, maybe you're from, I don't know, whatever city you're from, Ondo city, Benin city, whatever, you put it here. This is if you show you in the rest, if in Italy, that's when these ones are important. We in Nigeria, I don't think we have province and all of that. You put your village is not compulsory because it does not have the asterisk, but you must put in your address. You must put in the number of your house. Now it says valid date indicates 010 of the current calendar here. Now, if you look at this place, it said note please. As date of validity, address of residence, you can put your date of birth. So you can put your date of birth here. This is just to say, okay, like from when did you start living in the house that you live in? You understand me? That's all that's about. So you can put your date of birth in this particular place here. Then you put your telephone number, you click yes here. You click yes, and then you go on to the next page. Now the next page, you just click here, the residence, you put in your email address, you leave the certified email, leave the fax, you put in your phone number starting from +234 like Nigerians or based on your country, you put it the way the code is. Here too, you're supposed to put in the prefix of your phone number. For example, now for Nigerians, you see it, you put in it +234. That's what you're supposed to put at the prefix of your phone number. Then you come here, you write your phone number and all of that. Then it's already clicked. So these are just informations I'm just trying to put in so I can show you guys how it's done. And then after you finish filling all that information, you press next. So this is the next page. After you have clicked yes, um here, so you will now press. So you are going to press confirm. If you want to edit anything, any of the contact information you put, you can click here to edit. If not, you confirm and then you continue here. So if you notice here now, it has created a username. Normal, if I will say in Italian. Okay, now you can see now it has created a username for me. So this is my username. Take note of this username and then you take note of this your password. Then after that, you continue with proceed with authentication. So here, you remember that your username and that's your password is what you will now fill into these two places. Then you click sign in. Okay. So after you have put in your username and your password, so this is the page that will open. Okay. This page will now open, meaning you've been able to register. Now let's now start with the information, uploading of documents and all the other things that will follow. So you come back to these three icon here on this menu. You click this application for preventive evaluation. So this is it. So this was the one I did ahead of time to show you how it works. So you click here, you continue because I use computer science as an example to start. Say complete a pro. So here I'm going to complete the process I started. So the first page that you're going to open is just easy. You choose the subject that you want, and then that's how it is. It just goes. Either I cancel the selected one or now I proceed. Click here. So always do well to look at this. You see, so when this is it now. If it shows green, means you have completed that place. If it shows this good mark with gray color, it means you've not completed. This one, the declare title, meaning this one is to declare. If it's red, it means what you have to fill is mandatory. If it's yellow, means it's not compulsory. Okay, so that's how it is. You just go on and on, filling your information, first level degree, because you see these are titles of alternative study. So you just fill in what you need to fill in, and then you go on to the next point, and then you are done with your application, and then you're able to pay your application fee. Application fee for this university is 20 euros. I think that's like the cheapest. So I'm sorry that I'm not be able to upload documents and then go to the end to be able to show you how to finally get to the end. But it's something you can navigate yourself, trust me. But anyway, if you encounter any difficulty, you can always send me screenshots. Please don't send it here on YouTube. Follow me on my Facebook page and send it to me on my DM. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching till this time. If you have not liked, I really don't know why. So please, at this point, like this video for me. Do well to follow this channel, like I said before. And I'll say it again. If you want to join my paid Telegram group, contact me on my Facebook page, Uwaimade Ukbebo. I will also leave it on the description, um, on this video. So follow me there, and we'll meet you there. Bye, guys.